Sharmila, good afternoon. Divyashri, good afternoon. Vishal, Sharmila, Rahul, Kanishka, good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm sorry I'm late. Connection takes time, beta. So sorry. Just 1 minute, huh? I'll start the class. Shrutika, good afternoon, beta. Just 1 minute, huh? Let me start. Send the link in the group. Ashwarya, good afternoon. Send the link in the group and tell everyone to join fast. First, send the link in the group and tell everyone to join fast. What was that, Vishal? Okay. Shall we start? Last class in probability we were talking about last time in probability we were talking about wait yaar 2 dice. I think discussed about 2 dice and 3 dice or not. First, when 2 dice will be thrown, what will be the probability? Hi Ekta. What will be the probability when 3 dice will be exactly simultaneously tossed together? When when 3 dice will be rolled together, 2 dice will be rolled together, what will be the probability? 1 dice means 6 sample space will be coming, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will be coming. When 2 dice you are exactly going to roll together, then how many total possibilities will be coming? How many total possibilities will be coming? 216. Darshani, good afternoon, Darshani. Okay, so total possibilities will be coming. You started teaching cards, auntie. Okay, cards, I think yesterday we discussed about cards. Cards work is over. I think we discussed about cards. In that cards part, we discussed heart, club, spade, diamond, everything we have discussed. One more time, I'm just going to discuss about that. Now, that means total 52 cards will be there. It's not... Is it visible? Or I'll change, total 52 cards will be there. Out of that 52 cards, 13 cards will be heart. Okay, 13 cards will be heart, and then 13 cards will be diamond, and then remaining will be exactly black cards, spade and club. So 13 spade and 13 club. 13 spade and 13 club. 13 spade and 13 club. So like that it will be there. 13 spade and 13 club will be there. Fine. Yes, 13 spade and 13 club will be there. Lokesh, sorry for late. Okay, no problem, Lokesh. No problem. So 13 spade, 13 club will be there. So total how much will be there? So total 52 cards are there. So red cards will be total 26. 26 cards will be red card, and then 26 cards will be black card. So black card 26 and red card 26. Black card 26 and red card will be 26. In that we know that king, queen, jack will be there. King, queen, jack will be there. They will be exactly called as face cards. They will be exactly called as face cards. They will be called as face cards. Okay, they will be called as face cards. Face cards like king will be face card. King will be face card, queen will be face card, king, queen, jack, ace, 2 to 10. Okay, here also king, queen, jack, ace, 2 to 10 will be coming. Yes, correct only. Good afternoon, Naresh. 2 to 10 will be there. Again here king, queen, jack, ace, 2 to 10 will be there. King, queen, jack, ace, 2 to 10 will be there. So total Yes, face cards, if somebody will be asking you how many face cards will be there, that particular moment, it's like light is creating lots of problem for my eyes. Whew. So now look here. I have to change the lightings. So 26 will be there. 26 black and 26 red and 26 black will be there. 26 red and 26 black will be there. So 3 face cards will be there in each suit. 3 face cards will be there in each suit. Yes. So total 12 face cards will be there. Total 12 face cards will be there. I hope you might have understood that. Total 12 face cards will be there. 3 face cards from 3 face cards from coming from yes, Darshu total, yes, Darshu total 12 face cards will be there. Darshani 21, how 21 will be coming, Darshu? Exactly 3333. You have to exactly take like 3333. 33 will be coming, beta. 33 will be coming. Yes, 21 will not be there. 333. That is 3 from red, 3 from heart, 3 from diamond, spade and club, 33. Spade and club, 33. Face cards will be 12. Number cards will be 42, 2 to 10, 2 to 10, 2 to 10, 2 to 10. So 2 to 10 will be there. So 9 cards will be there like that. Fine. 9 cards will be there like that. I hope you might have understood that point. Okay, done. Shall we start solving questions related to it? 9 4s are 36. 9 4s are 36. Total 36 will be coming. Like 2 to 10 will be coming for diamond. 2 to 10 will be coming from heart, 2 to 10 will be coming from spade, and 2 to 10 will be coming from club. So total 99999 will be coming. So which will be making total 36 card. Number cards will be 36 cards. I hope you might have understood. No problem, Darshini. Typing error can occur. Many a times I am also writing. Right now itself I wrote black. Fine. So I think it is okay. Understood now? Understood? Shall we go for solving questions? Ready, everyone? So this was exactly about king, queen, jack, ace, all this. Now what we are going to do is we are going to study about dice. So one dice has 6 faces. One dice is exactly having 6 faces. So one dice will be having 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total 6 faces a dice is having. Total 6 faces a dice is having. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and numbers will be written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think we have discussed about the faces. In that, if one dice will be having 6 faces, then what will be happening when 2 dice will be there? When 2 dice will be there, then total how many will be there? 2 dice when tossed together, how many total faces will be there? 2 dice when tossed together, how many total faces will be there? Come on, quickly say the answer. I think I have told you when 2 dice will be rolled together, then possibility of number 12. Darshu, check one more time. Darshu, check one more time. We have already discussed about it. Check one more time. 12 will not be the correct answer. 12 will not be the correct answer. No, Lokesh, Ashwarya, Krisha. 36 is going to be the correct answer. Yeah, 36 is going to be the correct answer. Yes, 36 is going to be correct answer. 36 is going to be correct answer. Now look here. Possibilities are first dice first number, second dice first number, then first dice second number. Like this the numbers will keep on coming. 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6. Like this numbers can come. So total, how many total sample space will be coming? Total sample space will be coming as 2 1, 3 1, 4 1, 5 1, 6 1. Now 2 2, 3 2, 4 2, 5 2, 6 2, and then 2 3, 3 3, 4 3, 5 3, 6 3. Now then 2 4, 3 4, 4 4, 5 4, 6 4, and then here it is going to come as 2 5 3 5. Now here 2 6 3 6 3 5. Okay, 4 5 4 6 4 5 4 6, and then 5 5 5 6 6 5 6 6. So total going to be 36. Total going to be 36. Lokesh, understood now? Total number will be going to be 36. 36 total number will be coming. Now from there only you have to select. Your selection will be exactly done from there only. So when you will be selecting from here, so 2 dice total will be, sample space will be coming. So these are the total possibilities. When you are going to search for total possibilities, so total possibilities are coming as 36. So sample space will be coming 6 whole square, correct only. So there must be a formula. You have to understand that there must be a formula. With that formula, if 3 dice we are going to throw, 4 dice we are exactly going to roll, 5 dice we are going to roll, then what can be the possibilities? That possibilities we are going to write as 1 dice means 1 dice when will be rolled, then 6 to the power 1. So number, then the general formula is this one. This one, remember the general formula. When 2 dice will be exactly rolled, then 6 to the power 2, that is 36. It is coming as 6. Now first and second I have showed. Now third dice, when 3 dice will be rolled, so 6 to the power 3, that is 216. Like this it will keep on going. When n dices you are when n dices you are exactly rolling together, at that particular moment n dice means 2 to the power 6 to the power n. 6 to the power n. So n dice means 6 to the power n. I hope you might have understood this point. Come on, quickly tell me. Understood, yes or no? Yes, 2 to the power 6. I just move from here so that you will understand this point. So dice part over, coin part over. Yes, okay Naresh. So dice part over, coin part over. I think till here is it clear? Shall we start question answers? Shall we start question answers? Today total 1 hour session will be there, because I have to finish your syllabus so that I can start your revision. Fine. So tests and revision I have to start, because of that session will be quite long today. I have back-to-back sessions today. So first session is your only. Now shall we start? Shall we start first question? Ready? Ready with first question? Morning first, who and all were absent? Morning first, auntie 6 o'clock, you get ready, I am going to be present 6 o'clock. Auntie was ready 6 o'clock morning, means 6:20, I think I was late today. After that also I was having severe headache, I was there but you all were not there. 1 minute ma'am, okay, you take 2 minutes. Not 1 minute. Till then I'll drink water also. I'm very I know you were absent. Many were absent. Ekta were absent. Naresh was absent. Rahul joined at last and started answering. Rahul joined last. He started answering. Yeah, Kanishka was present. She was the one who was present first. Lokesh was also present or absent? Fine. Shall we start the questions, please? We have long session to go and we have many questions. We have many questions to do. Fine. Ready everyone? Notebook ready? See the energy. I think work and energy I taught. That time many important contents I have discussed. So just see the video one more time. See the video one more time. It will help you. Fine? Good. Now look here. First question, in a cricket match, a batsman hit a boundary. A batsman hit a boundary. Okay, so what a batsman is doing? A batsman hit a boundary, and after hitting a boundary, I was absent ma'am because I kept alarm but I forgot to save it, so I could not join. Sorry ma'am, no problem. You can see the video one more time. Not a problem at all. You can see the video one more time. Fine. And if any doubt will be there, you know whom to contact. In a cricket match, a batsman hit a boundary. Fine. A batsman hits a boundary 8 times out of 40 balls. 8 times. 8 times out of 40 balls. Clear? So he faced 40 balls and 8 times he hit boundary. Yes. Fine. 8 times out of 40 balls. Find the probability that he did not hit a boundary. Find the probability. Find the probability. Find the probability that he did not hit a boundary. That he did not hit a boundary. He did not hit a boundary. Find the probability that he did not hit a boundary. 4 by 5. That was very quick. Okay. Only one person is giving answer. What about others? Ashwin, Kanishka, Rahul. Everyone is telling 4 by 5. Sharmila, 4 by 5. Okay. Lokesh, 4 by 5. See, look here. How many times he hit a boundary? Total number of balls. How many balls he has faced? Total number of balls he faced is 40. So sample space is coming as 40. So since total number of balls he faced is 40. Now after facing 40 balls, he exactly how many times he hit a boundary? I told you na, event and not getting. So event and not getting, both you have to exactly take out. So one time getting and one time not getting. So 40 is there, fine. But out of 48 times he is hitting boundary. Then remaining balls, how many balls he is not hitting boundary? So total 8 times he is hitting boundary. So when he is hitting boundary 8 times, boundary hit is 8 times. Then boundary not hit. So no boundary. No boundary will be how many? 32. Fine, correct. So 40 minus 8, that is coming to be 32. So now we have to exactly find probability of that also. So probability of not hitting the boundary. You have to understand like this. Probability of not hitting the boundary. Probability of not hitting the boundary, that is number not hitting the boundary is coming as 32. So probability of not hitting the boundary is going to come as 32 by 40. So total ball 32, average is coming 30.23. Ayo, 30.23 will not come. It is exactly, oh, you found the average of that hitting. But in probability beta, whenever answer will come, na, the Keshav strike rate run hit into 100 by ball faced. Wow, super. That means you are also watching cricket like me, huh? So 4 8s are 32, 4 8s are 32, 4 10s are, so it is coming as 0.8. The probability will be exactly, probability of not hitting is 0.8. Probability of not hitting is 0.8. Probability of not hitting is coming as 0.8. 4 by 5 is 0.8 only. 4 by 5 is 0.8. And whenever you will be solving questions of probability, now one very important thing is answer. Probability answer should come between 0 and 1. Strike rate is okay. Strike rate is okay. But I am just talking about how much exactly is going to be the probability. The value of probability always lies between 0 and 1. The value of probability always lies between 0 and 1. So probability should always lies between 0 and 1. So this should be the condition. Probability lies between 0 and 1. I hope you might have understood. Yes, Ekta. And that getting an event, not getting an event is exactly going to come as getting an event, not getting an event, getting an event, not getting an event should be equal to 1. This is another formula of probability. These two formulas, then probability of hitting is 0.2. Yes, correct. Out of 20, exactly 40 balls, he faced 8. So when you will be 8 5s are 40, so it is going to be 0.2. Directly you can get from here. Probability of hitting is 0.2. Probability of not hitting is coming as how much? 0.8. Fine. It is not hitting is coming as 0.8. Probability of hitting is coming as 0.2. Shall we go for the next question, please? I think it's over. It's over. Shall we go for the next question? Shrutika, auntie, while answering probability, we should write the final answer in fraction or decimal. See, look here. When you are writing the answer, fraction is okay. Some children, they are writing in decimal. Decimal means no problem. Fraction means no problem. You keep in fraction only. No problem. You keep in fraction. It's not going to create more problem. Fine. I hope you might have understood. Okay. Fine. Shall we go for the next question, please? Next question. A dice is thrown, one dice only, 1000 times. A dice is thrown 1000 times. See, look at this question. A dice is thrown 1000 times. Again, I'm auntie 8. What happened? A dice is thrown. A dice is thrown 1000 times. How many times? 1000 times. Okay. So dice we are throwing is how many times? 1000 times we are throwing the dice. And after that what they are telling? 1000 times by mistake. No problem. Yeah, no problem. A dice is thrown 1000 times. What is with the following frequencies of outcome? With the following frequencies of outcome. With the following frequencies of outcome. Frequencies of outcome, with the following frequencies of outcome. Now what are the following frequencies of outcome? Outcome is outcome and its frequency. Frequency means number of times it is coming. What does frequency here means? Number of times a particular number is coming. So now first one dice means you 1000 times you are having a dice in your hand and 1000 times you are rolling the dice and you are counting which number is coming how many times. See, 1000 times you are exactly doing what? 1000 times you are exactly rolling a dice, and then after rolling the dice you are checking that which number is coming how many times. When you check that one, you found that 1 is coming 179 times, 2 is coming 150 times, 3 is coming 157 times. 3 is coming how many times? 157 times. 4 is coming 149 times. 5 is coming 175 times. 175 times. And 6 is coming 190 times. Fine. So 6 is coming 190 times. Now what are the questions you have to answer? So what is the total sample space? Sample space, can you first tell me what is the total sample space? After the sample space only I will be just telling you the question. First tell me what is the sample space here? What is the sample space here? What is the sample space here? Sample space here. What is the sample space here? 1000 times you are exactly 1000 times you have exactly rolled a dice. Absolutely correct. I think question is there. Fine. So 1000 times you have rolled a dice, and after rolling the dice 1000 times, yes, Rahul, what happened? Sample space is the total outcome. Darshini, you were absent that day. I was teaching there na offline class. So you have Darshini, like you only I am going to teach you. Fine. So you like chocolates na? So now if I will be giving you 5 chocolates, Darshu. So that means total chocolate, count and say how many chocolates I have given you, Darshu. Come on, quickly tell me. I gave you 5 chocolates. Now what is the sample space for you? Okay, guys, I gave Darshini 5 chocolates. So since I gave Darshini 5 chocolates, so what is the total sample space? Yeah, the total sample space is 5. because I gave you 5. So total sample space is 5, and out of that, Darshu, you ate 2. I gave you 5, you ate 2. Then what is the probability that you did not eat? What is the probability that you did not eat? See, I gave you 5 chocolates, you ate 2. Then what is the probability that you did not eat the chocolates? Bah, probability I am asking. Probability I am asking. Na. Probability I am asking, Darshu. Probability I am asking. Probability I am asking, beta. You have to tell the probability. Yes, Keshav. Probability is 3 by 5. That is the probability formula, Darshu. Probability is coming as event, that is number of event by sample space. So event of not eating. So 3 chocolates you have left. So 3 chocolates, and total chocolates are 5. So that is, so total number of outcome is called as sample space. Total number of outcome is called as sample space. Total number of outcome is called as sample space. I hope you might have understood. Total number of outcome is called as sample space. Understood? Total number of outcome is exactly called as what? Sample space. I hope you might have understood this point. Quickly say, understood, yes or no? That is 3 by 5. Shall I go back to my work, please? If you will allow me, then I'll write the questions for this. Shall I write the questions? Ready, everyone? Ready? Okay. First question is, what is the probability of getting prime numbers? This is the first question. What is the probability of getting prime numbers? What is the probability of getting numbers divisible by 3? Okay. What is the probability of getting even prime number? Even prime number. What is the probability of getting even prime number? What is the probability of getting even prime number? What is the probability of getting even prime number? What is the probability of getting even prime number? Come on, tell me fast. $482 by 1000 for first one, Ekta. Sure about it? Sure about it? First one? 0.482. Correct only, no problem. Either you give the answer in decimal form or you give the answer in fraction form, no problem. Go for it. Okay, fine. Anyone? Second answer is 0.241 by 500. 241 by 500, 482. Okay, no problem. First answer is okay. Hey, you all are so slow in writing answers. These questions means you should take the question like this and throw the question like this. You should be that much fast. You should be that much fast in answering such questions. So why this much time is taken? for answering the questions. Okay, fine. Now look here, I'm going to solve the question. First is total sample space. What is the total sample space? The total sample space is going to be, how many times you are exactly throwing the dice? You are throwing the dice 1000 times. So since you are throwing the dice 1000 times, so 1000 times is going to be your total sample space. Now what is the probability of getting prime number? From here you have to first select which are the prime numbers. Fine. So which and all are the prime numbers? So first 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, and 5 is a prime number. So how many times 2, 3 and 5 is coming? Okay, Keshav, I am going to check that one. How many times prime number is coming? Ma'am, but question, do not stick on my hand to throw it. Huh, ma'am, but questions do not stick on. Ashwin? Ashwin, seriously? Huh? Getting Darshini's effect? So 150, okay, and then 157 and then 175. If you will add, it is going to be 8, 7, 10, 17, 18. So 482. So first answer, I think absolutely correct. First answer is getting prime number. Event of getting prime number is 482 by 1000. 482 by 1000, that is 0.482. Absolute. 482 by 1000, 0.482. I hope you might have understood. 482 by 1000, 0.482. Work over. Fine. I have to be careful then. Yes, Keshav. Then I have to be very, very careful. Now second one, what is the probability of getting numbers divisible by 3? So 3 can divide 3 and 3 can divide 6. So 157 plus 190. So 157 plus 197, 347. So second one will come, probability of getting number divisible by probability of, no need to be sorry, it's good only. Sometimes we must joke also, sometimes we must laugh also. Getting every time serious is not needed, okay? Fine. Getting every time serious is not needed. So be happy, no problem. 0.347, huh? 0.347. Now next one is, what is the probability of getting an even prime number? Can you tell me the even prime number, please? Can you tell me the even prime number, please? Tell me the one number which is even and that is prime also. Can you tell me the even prime number? The number which is even and the number which is prime. The number which is even and the number which is prime. Quickly say. Super. So even prime number is 2. Even prime number is 2. So we are going to go for 2. So even prime number is 2. So third probability of getting even prime number is exactly 150 divided by 1000. So it is going to be 15 by 100. 15 by 100 means 0.15. 15 by 100 means 0.15. I hope you might have understood how to solve these questions. Fine. Yes, Krisha, absolutely correct, beta. Ma'am, I think everyone getting the disease of making fun in class. Then who is the master of giving this? Darshu? That is correct, beta. So it is going to come as 150 by 2, 1000. The answer is exactly correct. Yes, answer is exactly correct. Fine. And who is distributing this disease? Darshu? Who is distributing this disease? First you have to tell me. You are the one who is distributing this disease. You are the vector. Correct only. No comments. No comments. Next question. Next question is, the record of a weather station the record of a weather station. One day I will be keeping Google Meet class. Okay, fine. Next question. Yes, one information before I'll forget about it. I think this week I'm going to keep a Google Meet class, and there I'll teach you construction. Okay, or I'll make videos and I'll show you how to do construction. Whichever you will be liking, you just inform me. I'll make the videos and I will post either in YouTube how to draw the construction, means how to do the construction work, or because in Google Meet also it will not be totally possible to show you that how I'm using the compass. Better I will make a video and I'll teach you how to use this compass and scale and everything and do the construction, so that construction work will become over, and then we will start revision. I hope you might have understood this. Over and out. Okay, ma'am. Okay, fine. Okay. So now information given: the record of a weather station. The record of a weather station. The record of a weather station shows that out of the post. Shows that out of the post. Shows that out of the post 250 consecutive days. Out of the post 250 consecutive means one after the other. 250 consecutive days. 250 for us maths term 2 syllabus is over in school. Yeah, Keshav, here also I guess it is over, na? Here also I guess it is over. Exactly, I think construction part is only left with us, and quadrilateral, I think midpoint theorem is there, and then we will start revision work. We have to start revision only. Yes, I cannot use, but I am having simple device. With this I can use. Okay, I'll be telling you. Completed. Fine. I cannot use compass in this board. Come on. The post 250 consecutive days. 250 consecutive days. Its weather forecast were correct 175 times. The weather forecast were correct. The weather forecast means the weather forecast were correct. How many times it is correct? The weather forecast were correct. How many times? The weather forecast were correct 175 times. 175 times the weather forecast were correct. Fine. The weather forecast were correct 175 times. After that, what they are telling, what is the probability that on a given day, what is the probability that on a given day, what is the probability that on a given day, my fourth maths note, in school or in home, in school or in tuition, or in, what is the probability that on a given day, okay, what is the probability that on a given day it was correct, it was not correct? It was correct. Second, it was not correct. Go for it. It was correct and it was not correct. Go for it. Wow, Dashu, super. Very good. Nice. Super, Dashu. It is correct and it is not correct. So, shall we go for the... It is correct or not correct? So, total, that's true. What is that true, Keshav? Why to evaluate ourselves? Fine, go back to the content. Go back to content, it will be better. So 50 days correct. Sharmila is telling the answer 0.7. Keshav is telling 0.700. And then the second one is 0.300. That means how many times the weather forecast is correct? See, it's just a forecast and we cannot be predicting because many factors are there. So we cannot be blaming the weather forecast department. If they will be exactly going very accurate, see, many a times it can go accurate, many a times it cannot go accurate. So we cannot blame them. Huh? They are also human. So 250 days weather forecasting. 250 days weather forecasting means, okay, 250 days weather forecasting. So total sample space is coming how much here? Sample space is coming here. Sample space is coming here 250 days. So correct time, correct how many times it has given? Correct how many times it has given? Correct it has given, correct it has given 170 times, 175 times. Correct weather forecast means they told it is going to rain means it is going to rain. They told it is not going to rain means it is not going to rain. So whenever they told that this time is the raining time, this time is not the raining time, that happened. Fine, that happened. So that is called as the correct for the correct, but for us 99% not accurate. Okay, okay Keshav, no problem. 1% accurate. Maybe it is coming, it is coming. So accurate is there. So not accurate means not coming. So not accurate. Not accurate is 250 minus 175. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 14 minus 7 is 7. So 175. Hey, 50-50 chance. Playing very safe, 50-50 chance. 175 plus 175, if you will be adding, how much it is exactly going to come? 250. So half time, 50% accurate weather forecasting, 50% inaccurate weather forecasting. So probability is divided half. Very safe. So now that means what is the probability of getting a correct weather forecast? Probability of getting a correct weather forecast is, correct weather forecast, the first point is, so it is coming as 175 by 250. Then it is coming as 50, and then 5 3s are 15. Now 5 5s are 25. Then 5 10s are 7. So it is coming as 7 by 10 times. 7 by 10 times means 0.7. Yes, Ashwin, you can also predict. I can also predict. Many a times, whenever I'm angry, I'm saying today it is going to rain. Whenever I'm angry, I'm saying today it is going to rain. Fine. Now second one is, hey, both the time it is coming 0.7. How can it be possible? I think I have made some stupid mistake. 250, 175, 0774115. It is 75. Then only 250 will be coming. 50-50 chance is not there. Addition mistake, subtraction mistake. So not coming means probability of not getting, not coming means not accurate is 75 by 250. So 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25, 50, 5 3s are 15, 5 10. So 0.3. Because 0.7 plus 0.3, when you will be adding it, it should be coming as, okay, when you will be adding, ma'am, 170, yes, correct only. I have just rectified that one. So 75 by 250 is coming. That means 0.3 times, leave it, forgive them. 0.3 times it is incorrect, but 0.7 times it is correct also. Okay. Means 70% correct, accurate weather forecasting, and 30%, 70-30 chances there. Fine. I hope you might have understood this part. Okay, shall we go for the next question, please? Shall we go for the next question, please? Next question, ready everyone? Yeah, I checked. I did. Over. Already solved. Okay, fine. That may not be in India. Taken, granted. Okay, now we'll go for next question. 1,000 families with 2 children. 1,000 families with 2 children. 1,000 family with 2 children are there. Were selected randomly. Were selected randomly and the following datas were recorded. And the following datas were recorded. Okay, and the following datas were recorded. 70% accurate. Okay, so number of boys in family. Number of boys in family. Frequency. Okay, number of boys in family, number of families. Frequency here is number of family, means how many times. Frequency is number of family here. Fine, frequency is number of family. Number of family means in how many families, how many boys are there. So now we are looking forward for that families. 1,000 families we checked, and in that 1,000 families 2 children were only there. 2 children were only there. Okay, now we are going to check that in how many families 2 boys are there, or 1 boy 1 girl will be there, or 2 girls are there. So now we are going to check that one, and then we have to find the probability. So number of boys 0, means 140 families have both female child. Okay, now second, 1 male 1 female child, and then 300 families were there where both the child were male. Both the child were male. Okay, now question is, now you have to find the probability for, find the probability for find the probability for first one. No boy 1 boy, no boy 1 boy, 2 boy, at least 1 boy, 2 boys, at least 1 boy, at most 1 boy. At most 1 boy. Okay, shall we start? I guess we have to start. Question is ready. Okay, shall we? Keshav, first one is coming as 0.3. First one is coming as 0.3, huh? Clear? Then 0.56. Okay. .14, Sharmila 0.14. I think third answer Sharmila is also giving 0.14. See, the most important questions are, I have to see what you have written. Sorry ma'am, no problem. No problem, no problem. I saw the last one. Okay. Sharmila, Kanishka, Rahul, Keshav, Ashwin. Okay. Fine. Now first family is exactly having 0 boys, means both the child are girl. Okay, both the child are girl, means 0 boys means both the child are girl, means both the child are girl. So if both the child are girl, just 1 minute, both the child are girl. So now we are going to solve this question. Both the child are girl. So first thing is that no boys. No boys means probability of getting no boys. First they checked for 1000 families, na? Okay, they checked for how many families? They checked for 1000 families. So since they checked for 1000 families, we have to exactly go like that only. They checked for 1000 families. Okay, so now since they checked for 1000 families, no boys means probability of getting no boys, event of getting no boys. No boys means both girls. So 140 by 1000. So that is coming as 0.14. Absolutely correct answer for the first one. Means both the child is girl child. So 140 by 1000. Fine. 140 by 1000. Now second one is what given? The second one given here is 2 boys are there. Since 2 boys are there, one boy means one girl, one boy. So it is exactly going to be probability of getting this one is 560 by 1000. So it is coming as 0.56. Correct. Now both the child are probability of getting both of them as boys are 300 by 1000. It is coming as 0.3. It is coming as 0.3. At least one boy means at least one boy means one and more than one. At least one boy means one and more than one. At least one boy means one and more than one. Okay, at least one boy means one and more than one. So since at least one boy is there, so one and more than one, so we are exactly going to get at least one boy, one and more than one. So these two we have to add. So if I am going to say that I can eat at least one chocolate, means starting point is 1. After that I can eat how many chocolates I wish to. So that means if I'll say that at least one chocolate I can eat, means I can eat many chocolates. So here at least one boy means one and more than one, and here in the family restriction is 2 children. So 1 and 2 both we are going to add. 1 and 2 both we are going to add. So it is exactly going to come as 560 and 300. 560 and 300. So total is going to be 860. So here it is going to be probability of getting this event is 860 by 1000. So 0.86. 860 by 1000 means 0.86. Shall we go for the last one? I hope you might have enjoyed today's class. Was it okay? At most one boy. At most one boy means no 2 boys. Either one boy or no boy. Either one boy or no boy. Means either in the family both the child will be girl child, or the child will be one boy, one girl. So that means this time we are going to add which 2? This time we are going to add this 2. So it is going to be 140, 560. So it is going to be 0, 0, 5, 6, 7. So 700 such families are there. Yes, 700 such families are there. So when 700 such families are there, so probability of getting here is 0.7. Absolutely. So all of you have given correct answers. Super answer. Enjoyed a lot. Super beta. Super. So today's class. Today's class you have enjoyed a lot. Fine. So today's class you enjoyed a lot. We did maximum questions today. So what we are going to do is one more class of probability we are going to keep. There we are going to discuss some other questions. Okay. Now one question I am asking from you. Just answer the question. Okay. One more question I am going to. Yes. Enjoyed. Super. Now look here. So one more question of probability. Okay. Happy Republic Day. When is Republic Day? Today is 24th now. 25, 26. Don't worry beta. There will be no holiday. Every day will be a teaching day. Every day will be a teaching day. You don't worry at all. That day, Republic Day also, I will wish you Happy Republic Day. Just joking. Fine, so I'm going to keep it till here. Next class, what I'm going to do is, tomorrow is Republic Day. Tomorrow is 25. Tomorrow is 25. Today is 24. I'm really messed up. Tomorrow is Republic Day. Tomorrow is Republic Day. Yeah, now only I'm recalling tomorrow is Republic Day. Okay, fine. Fine. Okay, serious case of missing, huh? Fine. So we'll be discussing, you all have occupied me that much that I forgot days, I forgot weeks, I forgot dates also. Bye everyone. So morning class, those who have missed, watch one more time. I hope you might have liked the class today. So one more time you watch the video, whichever you have missed, and whatever doubts you will be having, just discuss with me, huh? I'll be there. Thank you. Bye everyone.